Oh, hi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bayu Rizky Hidayat from my English Mathematics English class. Now I will explanation about our material presentation, measurement and estimation second meeting. First, we have a 15. The meaning of 15 is 15. The meaning of 50 is 50. The meaning of 500 is 500. The meaning of 5,000 is 5,000. And the meaning of 5 million is 5 juta. Next, we have the meaning of 5 billion is 5 miliar. Next, we have meaning of plus is tambah. The meaning of minus is kurang. The meaning of times is waktu. And the meaning of divided by is dibagi oleh. This is our material about the vocabulary in this presentation. Next, we have the video explanation from Simari. With the question is, if the trip home takes 39 minutes, at what time does Chris have to leave in order to be home by a quarter after 6? First, we must imagine if left road is the strike line is the time. First, we have 5 o'clock. Next, we have a 6 o'clock and we have a 7 o'clock. Okay, the quarter after 6, the meaning of the quarter after 6 is 6:15. We found the 15 minutes from the quarter is 1/4. 1/4 times 30 minutes. 1 hour is a 30 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 60 minutes times 1/4 is 15. So we get the times, the minute of quarter after 6 is 6:15. After we found this, we have to find if this uh, if Christmas lepra with 39 minutes. So what time does must leave? Now we can figure that what time before quarter after 6 is 39 minutes. If 6 o'clock to 6:15 is a 15 minutes, so we found that the 39 minutes minus 15 minutes is 20 power before 6 o'clock. So we found the minutes from 6 o'clock is a 24 minutes. We have a 24 minutes before 6 o'clock. Now, what time after 5 o'clock? We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we can subtraction 60 minutes minus 24 minutes, and we get that 36 minutes after 5 o'clock. So we found that Christmas leave the order, or Christmas leave his job in 5:36 o'clock. Satu, dua, tiga. Okay, now let's do the question from example 1. A rectangular room measures 216 in by 150 in. The interior designer wants to place a strip of a molding around the room near the ceiling that costs $2.25 per foot. How much will it cost to buy the molding? Okay, now we can found uh, we found the hint that measures or length and width from the rectangular is 216 in and with the width is 150 in. Now we found that if 1 foot is cost $2.25. So how much will it cost? The solution. First, we must find the perimeter of the room first in inch and then convert it feet in the case of the rectangle. Okay, now we see. We found that this is the length and this is wide. This is the length. This is wide. In bahasa, length is panjang and width is length. We found the length and we found the width, so we just need to convert them in the numbers. Now we find the perimeter with the formula is 2 times length plus 2 times width. Now uh, we can count that 2 times 216 plus 2 times 150 is 732 inch. Next, in step 2, we find the perimeter of the room is 732. Now we must convert the perimeter from inch to feet by dividing it by 12. So 732 dividing by 12 is 61. We found that the perimeter in a foot is 61. Now we can count or we can times we can times with the money. So 61 feet times $2.25 per dollars puts is $137.25. This is the answer form of example 1. Now we move to next example. An interior design want to cover up the floor with a room with a carpet that has a two-color design. The room is square, measuring 12 feet on each side. The designer wants a red circle whose center is the center of the room that leaves to fit to each of the four walls. The remainder of the carpet should be white. Okay, there should be a 2 feet with white carpet border around the red carpet circle in the center of the room. The red carpet costs $12 per square foot and the white carpet costs $10 per square foot. How much will the carpeting cost? Okay. Now we can find the question. And now we can find the solution. First, we must found that the entire room is 12 feet and square. The room is square. Now we know the room is square, so and we know that the uh, entire room have a 12 feet. So we can find that it. First we can minus. Okay, now we can subtraction the 12 feet with 4 feet, like 12 minus 4 feet is 8 feet. The diameter of red carpet. So the radius must be 4 feet with dividing 8 feet with 2 feet. That's a problem of radius from diameter. So we can find that the radius of the red carpet is 4 feet. Okay, like this is the picture of the example. Wait, I'm sorry. I mean the question. We see that the diameter of a red carpet, this circle in center is 8 feet. With the side of the red carpet is white carpet with half measuring is 2 feet. White carpet costs $10 per feet. The red carpet costs $12 per feet. Now, first, we can find that the area of entire room or the square. This square is 12 the power of, I mean 12 square 12 of square of 12 is 144 feet, square feet, I mean. Now we can find the area of the circle area with the formula of the formula of area circle. P times R square 3.15 times for the power of 2 is 50.24 feet square feet. So the cost of a red carpet will be 50.24 square feet times. Okay, now we get the still explanation. We found that the cost of the red carpet is 50 $602 with 88 cents. Now, with the remaining area, we can find that 144 square feet minus 50.24 square feet is 93.76 square feet. This is the area of white carpet. So the cost of the white carpet is 93.76 square feet times $10 is 937.60 nine 937 dollars 60 cents. So the total cost will be $602.88 plus $937.60 is hello. Oh, okay, hello. Oh, yeah. Now we found that the total cost will be 1,540 dollars 48 cents. This is the answer of example 2. Next, we have been in example 8. A rectangular fish tank is 30 in long, 15 in wide, and 20 in height. Gravel is aligned directly at the bottom of the tank to a height of 2 inches. And the tank should be filled to a point that is 3 in from the top of the tank. How much water can the tank hold to the nearest stand of a gallon? Okay, now we can we can draw that this is a fish tank with 20 in height, 20 inch in height, 15 in wide, and 30 30 in long. First, we can be uh, count 20 inch because we found that the bottom of the piston is gravel and the top of piston is air. So, the true of height in this piston is 20 minus 2 plus 3 is 15 inch. 50 inch is the true height of a water without gravel and air. Therefore, a tank can hold as much as water as we can uh, find the column with 30 inch times 15 inch times 50 inch is 6,750 inch cubic inch. So the water can the tank hold the nearest tank of a gallon is we found that 1 gallon or gallon is 261 cubic inch. Now, now we can draw that is six thousand 6,730 cube inch dividing by 1 times 1 gal times 2031 cubic inch. We know that the true formula is 6,730 cube inch divided by 231 inch cube inch. We found that the answer is 29.22, but in inch. Now we can find that if well that change to 2009.2 girl. Now we can move to the next example 9, the last example. A balloon when expanded is in the shape of a sphere with a diameter of 24 centimeters. What is the maximum capacity of the balloon to the nearest liter? We found that a balloon when expanded is in the shape of a sphere. Sphere in bahasa is bola with a diameter of 24 centimeters. Because this is diameter, we can count that we can convert become radius with dividing by 2. The capacity refers to the amount an object can hold or refers to the volume. So we need to volume formula from sphere. The radius of the radius eh, the radius of sphere the radius of this question is 24. So the formula of radius is diameter dividing by 2. So 24 dividing by 2 is 12 centimeter. Using the formula for the column is a sphere and 3.50 for V. The volume of sphere is 4 dividing by 3 times P times cube R. Now we can count that. 4 threads times 3.14 times 12, the cube 12 is 4 threads. 4 threads times 3.14 times 1728. We found that 7,234.56 cube centimeter is in a milliliter convert. We know that this number is 2,034.56 milliliters. We can convert the milliliters become liters with 7,234.56 milliliters dividing by 1,000 is to 7.23456 liter. So the maximum capacity of the balloon to the nearest liter is 7 liters. That's my presentation with this second meeting. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sudah. Stop record.